Target price feature walkthrough. Source part, add your price without the back and forth with MakerVerse. Start with your files. Upload your drawings and project specifications in our platform. This includes technology, materials that you can choose from our drop-down, or just leave the ones that are in the technical drawing, and quantity. Should you need something specific, you can choose Get Quote, Manual Quote instead for complete control over prices. Input the prices that match your budget or your previous sourcing experience part by part and click Request Quote. You can also add more details in the RFQ form, such as delivery date, and then click Request a Manual Quote. And there, request has been made. We will find the best fit supplier for your project. And within 48 hours, you will receive a quote or a best counter offer, and you determine what to do next. Try the target price at MakerVerse. Fast processing, competitive pricing, and low risk. So stop wasting time on RFQs and try our platform today.